This is a very strong message of unity of the Northeast.
Whether you are Khasis, Garos, Jaintias, Boros, Dimasas, Maitais, Kukis, Nagas, Mizos, Tiprasas.
एक आदमी की आवाज और हजारों सैकड़ों लोगों की आवाज में बहुत अंतर है.
This fight is not about politics. This fight is about identity, culture, justice, dignity, and the future of our people.
We will bring the people of different indigenous backgrounds, of different minorities as one.